Three people are tied to that beating death of Jake Kelly, but Angel Mullooly is the only one charged with killing him. Today, 7 to 12 years of prison was on the table, but there was a surprise when Kelly's own mother asked the judge for leniency.
Not correct, they're going to let me know.
It was a bittersweet moment for the Kelly family, as Angel Mullooly was sentenced in Maricopa County Superior Court for his role in Jake Kelly's death.
I do order that you be sentenced to a term of imprisonment at the Department of Corrections for a less than presumptive term of 8 years.
Today, Kelly and Mullooly's family gave their statements, both pleading to the judge not to give the maximum sentence for manslaughter.
I don't believe that Angel needs 12 years in prison to pay for his part in this. I think he's a good man that was in the wrong place at the wrong time and with the wrong people.
My son made a terrible, terrible mistake. For his involvement in this tragedy, and will have to live with that mistake for the rest of his life. I know he was remorseful, and I also know he must face justice.
It was in August of 2023 when Kelly was found with blunt force trauma in his driveway, dying days later from his injuries. His roommates at the time, Shannon and Corey Young, were arrested and charged with hindering prosecution. Court documents state the Youngs carried Kelly inside and left him without medical care for 16 hours. Mullooly was the only one who was charged with Kelly's death and entered a plea agreement last month for manslaughter instead of second-degree murder.
You had different things that were contributing to why Mr. Kelly passed away. There was obviously not immediate medical attention for the injuries. Number two, you also had a situation where all of the critical witnesses were highly intoxicated.
With the judge's decision to give Mullooly less than the presumptive sentence of 10.5 years, both families left the courthouse content with the judge's choice.
As Jake's mother, I believe that he got a good sentence today. I'm okay with that.
My son needed to serve justice, and according to the courts, justice was served in some way.
And again, Mullooly was sentenced 8 years, but he's already served about 1.5 years, so his time in prison will be a little bit less than that. Jamie.
Michaela, thank you.